This is The Briefing, a podcast presented by Mussio Goodman Law Firm.
So basically, for actions that occur on or after April 1, 2019, ICBC is going to make a determination fairly early on within the first 3 months usually of whether or not your accident and your injuries are considered a minor injury. Now, minor injury is a misnomer because in actual fact, the definition covers a whole array of very serious injuries, but it's a way that ICBC and the government are able to basically eliminate compensation for individuals. So if your claim is deemed a minor injury, then you're capped out at $5,500 for pain and suffering, which is a fraction of what it potentially can be worth. So for example, a brain injury can be captured under minor injury, and that in the usual scheme would be worth somewhere between $85,000 to $120,000 or more, depending on the injuries, can now only be $5,500. So there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be very upset when ICBC caps out 80 to 90% of all claims as minor injuries. So fortunately, there is some way of fighting that, but unfortunately, it's going to be a hard-fought battle because you have to go to this new civil resolution tribunal, get some expert opinion evidence to prove your injury is not minor, and basically fight it through ICBC. It's going to be difficult, I must confess. If the claim looks like it's going to be a minor injury, it's going to be hard to get a lawyer. And so these poor injured claimants will be thrown up against ICBC defense lawyers or trained and seasoned ICBC adjusters fighting out in the CRT. So we don't know what's going to happen because it's a brand new system, but I can predict that it's not probably going to go that favorably for injured parties because the whole system's geared towards eliminating compensation for injured parties, including very seriously injured people.